Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Today we are going to do how to stitch kids dhoti. For this we need two measurements, waist and length. These measurements may change for every kid. Here I am taking waist round as 18.5 inches and length 16 inches. In this total length for the belt I am taking 3 inches and remaining length for the dhoti, that is 13 inches. Here I am taking 2 layered fabric. Place right side of one fabric facing on right side of other fabric. Here length of the fabric is 13.5 inch, in which half inch for sewing allowance. Width of the fabric is 30 inches. As shown in the video, on width wise give a mark for every 10 inches. As shown in the video, fold the fabric where open edges of the fabric should lie on the 10-inch mark. For crotch part, give a 6-inch mark as shown in the video. Give a 1-inch mark on both sides of that point. With that points, draw the lines with the help of the scale as shown here. Then give a slight curve as shown here at the corners. Give a cut as shown here. For better practice, always do marking on wrong side of the fabric. As shown here at the corner, with the gap of 2.5 inches, draw the curve. Now give a cut on drawn line. Now arrange the two fabric as shown in the video and give a pleats as shown here. Please keep in mind, arrange the pleats in 6-inch length for both the fabrics. Why? Because after giving the pleats, fabric length should equal to the crotch length. Now give a stitch on the pleats. Now arrange the two fabric as shown here, exactly as shown in the video. Place the one fabric on the other. And give a stitch. After stitching, fabric should be look like this. Again arrange the fabric as shown here. And give a stitch. After giving stitch, it should be look like this. Now fold the fabric as shown here. Again join the fabric as shown in the video and give a stitch. After giving stitching, fabric should be look like this from the right side of the fabric. From the wrong side, it should be look like this. Now make the pleats as shown here. Similarly on other side, make the pleats and give a stitch. Now stitch on the pleats part completed. Now dhoti part is ready. For the belt part, I am taking the fabric width 37 inches and length 5.5 inches. Now fold the fabric into half as shown here. The gap of half inch, give a stitch. For inserting the elastic, form the fold as shown here and give a stitch. Give 1 to 2 inch gap in between starting stitch and ending stitch as shown here. Insert the elastic. As shown in the video, join the belt part and dhoti part by giving mission stitch. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Now take the elastic. Here I am taking 1/4 inch elastic. Take the elastic length by reducing 2.5 inch in the waist round. That means 18.5 minus 2.5, which is equal to 16. Elastic length here I am taking. With the help of safety pin, insert the elastic into the belt as shown in the video. Now join the both ends of the elastic with hand stitch or mission stitch. Here I am giving mission stitch. Now close the open by giving mission stitch as shown in the video. Now beautiful dhoti is ready. Thanks for watching.